Today I'll be actually reviewing a travel mug that I recently bought called Mighty Mug. This specific model is the stainless steel Mighty Mug Mini. It's a small travel mug, 12 ounces total, and I was really impressed with this for a simple reason, and I'll show you why. The claim of this mug is that it won't fall over, and I found this particularly intriguing because I've had a couple of close calls on my desk. I actually work from home, and I've had a couple of times where I actually accidentally hit my coffee mug and had my entire keyboard and at one point my actual laptop damaged. So let me go ahead and open this up for you here. It's got a nice little stainless steel finish. On the warning here, it actually says hand wash only, apparently because you could ruin it. The nice thing about this is this special patented bottom. And what this specific mug does is you can just place it anywhere on your desk, any flat surface, and with very minimal effort you can actually pick it up. So you literally don't have to put any force whatsoever to pull it up vertically. However, if you do exert any sort of lateral force on it, so if I actually push this to the side, try to slap it left or right, and I'm actually putting in quite a bit of force here, it would not budge. And notice nothing again on my tabletop here that affects any of this. So again, just accidental hit on the top and it doesn't move, and I literally have to put quite a bit of force for it to actually move over. So I literally don't want to break this because I just got it. And the cool thing obviously is that you're never gonna accidentally hit your coffee mug while you're working, and you're not gonna get anything on your laptop or on your keyboard. Of course, it does have a nice little lock here that's pretty solid. You've got a nice steam vent there with a cool little lip on it as well. So obviously that's going to help out with any spills, but just knowing that you're not going to hit it accidentally. I've got two little kids, and sometimes I'm not looking exactly where I'm going while I'm on my desk, and that helps a lot. The inside of it seems like it's pretty well insulated. Got the catalog here, which I don't think you need to read anyway, but there's a little bit of a space there between the liquid and the outside air, so I think it would actually live up to the claim of, I think it's 4 hours of hot and 14 plus hours of cold. That doesn't matter so much to me because I work from home, but it's still good to know that it keeps your liquids quite nice and warm. There you have it. Thanks for watching, and happy coffee drinking.